Hi friends, here your Excel Guru Rajnikant. Here the query asked from one of our friends from Facebook that how to copy and paste when the files in hidden, when the data is hidden. So we can't visibly we can't see that data. So you have to copy only this data. Okay, first of all I'll unhide this. Wait a minute, unhide. Wait. Okay, I'll do one thing. So first I'll delete this all things. Wait a minute guys, I'll delete. Before I start this session, please, I request everyone to like, share and subscribe my channel because more Excel things I'm going to start from 1st of March. Till now I posted only introduction of the topics in Excel. From March 1st I will post deep classes in Excel by taking each and every function. Suppose VLOOKUP is there. How many types of VLOOKUPs are there? What are they? How we have to do? All those things. I will start from March 1st. So till that time, I will give you all functions introductions like already I given the VLOOKUP, all those things. In above here in video here you see I, small I, like this. Okay, like this. So click on that, you will get the Excel magic tricks. You can nearly I posted more than 50. Okay, so I request go through that and see. If you have any doubts or concerns, please let me know, and thank you for your support. Here the query came from the Facebook. But how to hide, how to copy and paste when the file is hidden. So I am taking raw data 10 to 100, control enter, G2I, I'll copy G2I, and still 20 I will take. Okay, click 20 I will take. Control C, Control Alt V, because I mentioned here ran between. Whenever you type anything like this, it will automatically change like this. So for that reason I want to hide that data. I want to make it as a values from the formula. Control C, Control Alt V, V for values only. So now it won't change. So I will I will hide this one. Hide. So everyone will do like this, Control C and Control V. So the hidden data will also be displayed here. So we don't want the hidden one, we want only the visible one. Right guys? Only the visible data should copy and the paste. So there is the ultimate shortcut key for that. Before selecting the data, before copying, you have to do Alt semicolon. Okay, so visible data will only the visible data will select. The hidden data it won't select, only the visible data. Control C. Now see, only these two things are there. The two things are outside of the data. Dancing lines. Control C now. Control V. Did you got this, guys? What I meant to say? Alt semicolon. Alt plus semicolon. To select visible data. Only visible data. Okay guys, only Alt semicolon, then it will select only the visible data. If you manually do copy like this, copy and paste, it will give you like this. Before copy, if you will type Alt semicolon, then it will select only the visible data, copy and paste. 2 times I repeated, it's very important. Thanks guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day.